Latinos, happy 4th of July. Right now we're outside of New Fitness. My name is Shane Martinez. I've been pushing the whole paleo movement. You follow my snaps, Shane.NewYou. If you share this video. Today we start the revolution of no microwaves. And I was thinking, it's a $200 microwave. That why not be a blessing to somebody, right? And I was like, that's not a blessing to somebody. To give them a tool that's gonna suck all the nutrients out of their food. That's what's happening in the US, is that we lost so respect for food when we all should be respecting it, praying over it and everything. So happy 4th of July, and I hope you're having a great one with your family. Share on your wall right now. Share it.
Kill the microwave.
Share it.